If you're new to airless paint spraying or a DIY enthusiast working on small projects, or if you're looking for an entry-level paint sprayer working with lacquer if you're doing woodworking jobs, well then the GXFF from Graco might just be the ideal sprayer for you. Hi there, my name is Darren, and this is a video of an overview of the Graco GXFF. This video is brought to you by Airless Discounter. The GXFF is a small portable sprayer that is ideal for working with small projects. Because it's so simple, it's easy to repair without needing any additional tools. And the delivery of the sprayer includes everything that you need to start spraying right away. All you need is your material. The main feature of the sprayer is quite noticeable, and that's the attached hopper that's built in onto the device. It's a 5.7 liter hopper. This makes it ideal for working with lacquer, since you've got a hopper that takes a small amount of material and the suction tube going into this pump itself is quite short. So when you're working with a small amount of material, mostly for the application of lacquer, if you're a woodworker, you're spraying furniture or trim, then this might be exactly what you're looking for. So let me take you through the specifications. It's a 1.5 liter delivery rate with a maximum spraying pressure of 207 bar. It weighs about 14.1 kilograms, and the maximum spray tip size is 19 1/1000ths of an inch. If we look at going into more of the features of the device, we've got a press pump button here, which loosens the inlet valve if it happens to get stuck. We've got the manometer on the other side. It's got your pressure valve right in the front. We've got a switch which switches between prime or spray. The sprayer also has the Pro Exchange pump, which allows you to quickly and easily replace the pump on the job site without needing any special tools or needing to be in the workshop. Now, in order to replace that pump, there'll be a plastic door that you'll need to release, and then this pump itself actually has, you'll notice it has spaces on the frame which you will use to help you change the packings in the pump, or the inlet valve itself can also be changed. So you won't need to have any other tools for that. You can use the frame, the tool spacing on the frame to help you with that. Do bear in mind that when you want to replace the pump on this device, you will need to remove the hopper first in order to get to the underside of the valve. So what is included in the Graco FF delivery? You get a 210 spray tip, a Rack-X holder. The spray gun delivered with this device is the FTX, which is a 2-finger spray gun. And with that, the mesh, it's a 100 sizing mesh. The spray hose that you get with this device is the Blue Max 2, 3/16 of an inch, and that is a 7.5 meter hose. If you're wondering about the GX19, well, the GXFF and the GX19 were developed with the same features in mind. The GX19 also has a hopper, or comes standard, and they have similar performance specs. Now, the reason why we don't see the GX19 is that the GXFF has been branded for the European market and a few other countries, whereas the GX19 is more for the US market. So if you're in the US and you're looking for the GXFF, instead you'll be looking at the GX19. And that's it for the overview of the GXFF. If you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, smash the like button and turn on notifications if you want to see more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great spray.